the ultimate high ground, the space domain is critical to defence operations. Our capabilities and operating concepts rely on access to space systems and information, as do the Australian public. The Space Command exists to ensure Australia's access to space, to defend Australia, our national interests, and promote security and stability in the world and beyond. The Space Command symbol brings together the future-focused elements of space exploration while also acknowledging Defence's heritage and Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders as the world's first astronomers. The Southern Cross constellation is deeply tied to our Southern Hemisphere location, which affords us a unique perspective and opportunity to contribute to the global space community. The 5 points of the Southern Cross symbolise the 5 categories of people at the core of protecting our nation: the Royal Australian Navy, the Australian Army, the Royal Australian Air Force, the Australian Public Service, and our Australian sovereign space industry.
As sailors, we have the vast ocean around us and the infinite skies above us. We rely on space to orient us, to connect us, and to navigate our way, and to know what's around us.
As soldiers, space is critical to our multi-domain operations. The land forces are impacted by what is happening at sea, in the skies, and on our networks. Without space, we'd be fighting in the dark.
As aviators, we see the skies above us as our domain, and we use space as an integral part of our precise air power to connect us, to navigate, and to orchestrate the joint force.
We use space daily for understanding the weather, navigating, access to geospatial information, and sharing information across Australia and the world.
Our vibrant Australian space industry brings world-leading technology and diverse ideas. We are honoured to do our part in assuring Australia's access to space.
In Aboriginal Australian astronomy, the Southern Cross has had many different meanings. The Aranda people of the Central Australian desert believe the 4 stars of the Southern Cross are the immense talon of the wedge-tailed eagle. Central to the logo is a sleek space rocket, a clear symbol of Defence's exciting step into the space domain. With the 4-pronged figure symbolising the talon of a wedge-tailed eagle, a symbol of the Royal Australian Air Force and an important symbol in Dreamtime stories. The talon-shaped rocket signifies Space Command's heritage in the Royal Australian Air Force, with the talon forming a new entity that has an enduring link to our Air Force. The circular outer ring is for unity and protection, symbolising that a future in space will require a collaborative effort across defence, whole of government, with industry and academia, and the global space community. This circle also signifies Space Command's role in assuring Australia's access to space and the critical function of the space domain for Australia's defence. Space connects us all and bolsters our ability to operate freely in and control maritime, land, air, space and cyber domains. Space is incredibly exciting and challenging at the same time. We have to be creative, collaborative and inventive to overcome the obstacles and grab hold of the opportunities. Together we will reach for the stars to protect Australia, our freedom, our values and our way of life.